Hi guys! Today we're gonna make French fries. Actually, my husband will make French fries. When we're on keto, we figured it out. Most of the foods we can make it. Any recipe you can turn into the keto recipe, low carb recipe, except French fries. And I accept that. I admit it. I have a potato addiction. I love potato, and it's have been very hard for me to not to be able to eat French fries. So we'll let you guys know how is it gonna come out, and my lovely baker gonna make it. We did that before. We liked it. Let's go.
Let's go. So it's very simple. We're gonna do the coconut flour because it has less carbs than almond flour. We are gonna start with 50 grams. So we're weighing it out here. 50 grams of coconut flour. And we're just gonna mix that with a tablespoon of xanthan gum, which is already measured out here. And they're French fries, so they have to be salty a little bit. So we're gonna do a couple of big pinches of salt, and let's quickly whisk it together. And the next thing, we're gonna get some hot water, and we're gonna measure the hot water in tablespoon by tablespoon. We want about 7 or 8 tablespoons of hot water. But you don't want to do too much, so that's why you do it one by one. So we're going to do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And then mix that together and see how it comes together as a dough. And then you can decide, it's a little dry. Yes, it is. And you can do number 7. Mix it again. Our goal here is 1 solid ball of dough. And I'm going to give it 1 more. This looks like it's going to work. We'll get our hands and smush it all together. Kind of half knead the dough. My hands. Try to mix it as evenly as you can. And that's it. You get a nice little sticky ball. And we're gonna let that rest. The coconut flour is gonna do its thing with moisture and absorb it. And we're gonna let that rest for about 10 minutes. In the meantime, let's get some oil in our pan and get it warmed up.
Can I ask a question? Why we didn't use almond flour, we used coconut flour?
We looked at the macros on coconut flour and almond flour. Coconut flour is like half the carbs of the equivalent amount of almond flour.
That's why, okay.
That's why. So we prefer sunflower oil for frying. We use this one. And it's not a deep fry. You just need like a small layer, just enough to like fry them one side at a time. So just like that, cover the bottom of your pan. And we're gonna light the fire and let it warm up while our dough is resting. Okay, the dough has been resting for a bit and our oil is getting warm. It's nice and solid. We're gonna roll it and cut it. Meantime, our pan is getting warm over here. Got some burgers going on the other side of the kitchen. It's gonna go great together. This looks pretty thin and nice all the way around. We're gonna give it a try. So we're gonna try one out right now. You just want it to sizzle a little bit. Keep your heat around medium. And we're just gonna go and start frying them really gently. So they puff up a little bit, which is fine. And you don't want to cook them too quickly. You want to cook them slowly and gently. Turn them a couple times until they get golden brown.
They look good.
They're looking pretty good, yeah.
Yeah.
Just be patient with them and they'll come out great.
Yeah.
You're getting a lot of good color here. It's just like potato fries. So nice. So when they start to look like this, that's beautiful. And you can get a plate ready. With some paper towel. And take them out. And we'll salt them right away too. So keep an eye on it. The ones that are looking done, you can put them on the side and keep frying them until they're all ready. This one looks good.
They surprisingly look like French fries too.
Yeah, they look really good, right?
Yes.
You might have some funny shapes. They'll still be delicious. Let's cook it all. Okay, then we're almost done. The last few are almost frying, so as you take them out, you can just give them a little bit of salt. While they're warm, that looks good. We're gonna plate it up. They're hot and delicious. Give it a try. We're gonna do a taste test.
My taste testing.
We're taste testing. Let's go.
Let's see.
Looks delicious. What are your favorite sauces? Isn't that crunch? Yum.
It's crunchy. It's yummy. How's my burgers? Yeah, it tastes like French fries.
Excellent.
I mean, nothing can't be like a potato
It's
ever.
as close as you can
But
get.
it's, yes, exactly.
Bon appetit.
And these condiments are very great too.
Bit of sugar-free ketchup, some mayonnaise and mustard.
Yeah, this ketchup is amazing. We can put that down. Hey guys, if you like our recipes, please subscribe.
Bon appetit.